To replace the back one piece on your easy out sofa, we will first want to start by removing the cushions from the couch.
Once we have removed the cushions, fold down the back one panel to gain access to both of the hinges that secure the back one panel to the back two panel.
There are 6 screws in each hinge. Remove them with a number 2 Phillips bit. To properly install the back one to the back two piece, we will first need to start by making sure that the hinge is in the proper orientation. This means that the pin of the hinge will be upwards where it's visible. If it's downwards where it's not, you will not be able to fully close the back one piece. With the hinges out, secure your new back one piece into the original screw holes where the hinges were. I recommend that you alternate screws from the back one to the back two piece when reinstalling. This will both create uniformity in the tightness in which the hinge is sealed, but it will also grab onto both pieces and allow you free hands.
After replacing the hinges, return the back one piece to the upright position and place the cushions back on the couch.